Hello. Getting ready now. So I'm going out to have dinner. Sa place ng friend ko. It's gonna be real quick lang. It's probably gonna be my last live this year. Because probably later hindi na ako makakapag-live. Happy New Year, everybody. The skincare, kakawash ko lang yung face ko. And tapos na kami mag-prepare dito sa house. So ready na kami for countdown later. Happy New Year, everybody. Thank you for an amazing year. It's been quite a year for me if you've seen my post. Ang dami ko pang hindi na ilagay ng mga highlights ng year ko. But I'm really thankful na kahit parang 3 years or 4 years na after namin gawin yung Drivers Philippines Season 1. And then it's been, I don't know, more than a year since UK vs. the World. And I am still here. We're still here. We're still doing our thing. And I'm really grateful and honored that we're still achieving things na kahit wala na akong season na nag-i-air. And yeah, I feel blessed, TBH. Should we wear her tonight? No. Later na lang yun. But yeah, I'm so excited for 2026. TBH. Naglagay na ba ako? Hindi pa, no? I'm looking forward to another year of doing more things that I haven't done before. Oh. Hopefully next year I get to do. Marami pa akong mga gustong gawin eh. So, we're not stopping yet. Artista na. Maarte lang ako pero hindi pa ako marunong umarte ata eh. Charot. Hindi ako makuha ng Nueva Vizcaya this time. Kasi usually, di ba, sa Nueva Vizcaya ako nag-New Year. Pero this time, hindi ako makauwi kasi wala akong driver. And hindi ko kaya mag-drive papanik ng Nueva Vizcaya kasi nakakatakot ang Dalton past year. I cannot. Ayan. Balat lang tayo. And then, for the dinner, ano lang ako, magko-conceal lang ako kasi I don't feel like doing heavy makeup for dinner. Baka later na kasi pa-party ako mamaya. So baka sa party na ako mag full glam. But right now, lilimasin natin si Makeup by Mario. Ano lang tayo? Spot conceal lang tayo. Kasi I won't be out in public naman. Enter na ako mag full glam. I'm with my family tonight. So I'm not as lonely as you think. Charot. Ilocano of the day. Ilocano word of the day is ngarod. Ngarod. Ayan o. Nyamut. I think okay na yan. Ganyan lang. Conceal lang siya. Kapampangan, wala akong masyadong alam na Kapampangan. Hindi ako marunong magkapampangan. Kasi hindi naman ako lumaki sa Pampanga. Tapos, hindi naman kami kinakausap ng Kapampangan sa house. So, I wouldn't know. Happy New Year, everyone. Gusto ko sana mag-live sa TikTok naman for a change. Kaso, hindi ako marunong mag-TikTok kasi. Nakakalito. At saka parang iba yung audience dun, no? Parang puro mga bagets. At saka mga straight. Minsan may mga rude comments dun eh. Tsaka puro emoji. Puro emoji yung comments sa TikTok. Pag nagla-live, napadaan ako sa mga live. It's puro emoji. At saka sa TikTok, sobrang daming homophobic. Lalo na kapag yung kunyari drag video, ganyan, napadpad sa FYP nila, oh my God. Parang Facebook. Bawal din magmura dun. Mabablock nga pala ako dun pag magmura ako. Happy New Year, everybody. Malaysia. How do I say hello and thank you in Malaysia? Happy New Year from Japan. Happy New Year, Team Japan. I wish I can come soon to Japan. I did not watch Stranger Things. I don't have time to watch anything. Pero baka itong susunod na coming weeks, I would probably be able to catch up on all the series and all the shows. Heated Rivalry, not yet. I haven't watched Heated Rivalry yet. No time. Yes, I don't have time to watch just yet. So di ba nangulangot ko? What's next? Brows. And then I'm done. Ganun lang, kabilis. Ang aking makeup today. Ayoko na naman may etche-boreche. Kasi, where is it? Hi, Miss Selena. Happy New Year. Ito siguro yung pinaka-quiet na live ever. Yung mga live ko parang ano siya, me time. Mag-live ako pero hindi ko kayo na sinasama sa sa usapan. Ingay ng live ko, Anong drug break? Drug break? Mga siraulo kayo. Grabe, parang Holy Week. Sa sobrang, sobrang tahimik ng live ko. Ano electric fan? Walang electric fan dito. Okay lang yan. Talagang nag-live ako para makapag-usap-usap kayong lahat. Yun talaga yung goal ng live ko. Para, magkakilala kayong lahat. Kinig lang ako dito. Sige lang, usap lang kayo dyan. Ba't ang puti? Dahil ba Kelsey Merritt na ba, guys? Kamukha mo po si Andre Brillantes. Sobrang ganda naman kung ganun. Okay na siguro tong earrings ko. Highlighter. Ang pinagbabawal na technique. Parang mali yun sa mga. Ayan, ready na ako mag-dinner. And then this is the dress. Yung shoes. Charot. I'm gonna wear heels. Yun lang naman. I just want to say thank you everybody and thank you for being part of my year. It's been an amazing year for me. Sana magtuloy-tuloy siya next year. And I hope you're ready for 2026 kasi ako hindi pa. Charot. I'm looking forward to 2026. And yeah, I'm excited to share everything that I've been working on with you guys next year. Yeah, yun lang naman. Thank you so much and Happy New Year. Have a great time. Mag-ingat lahat. Huwag na magpaputok. Magtorotot na lang. Ano pa ba? Ayun. Sana magbago na kayong lahat. No? Oo. Ano din kasi. Chares. Thank you everybody. Love ya. Happy New Year. Okay, screenshot muna yung ganda. Okay. Goodbye. I'll see you soon. See you next year. Wow. Bye.